Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy and now I'm coming with another app. But before that, welcome to my channel, welcome to this video. So what we're going to be doing today is we're gonna get to know how to brainwash. Yes, we're gonna be washing some brains. So let's see, I'm reviewing these apps for the first time for you guys. So like it's not exactly like teaching, but it's like reviewing these apps so you can use it. So let's see. Hi, this is the first level. Okay, I actually have that amount of a brain. Each level has an issue, you need to fix it. Alright, so we're gonna see if we have enough brains. Okay, yes. Cookie. Don't. No. Yep. So what is this actually? Like we're trying to test if we have brain, but for example, I really didn't understand what's going on here. Okay, we made an angel. Thank you, I'm 97% angel. I thought I was like 100, but okay. Yes, guys, ads. Ads, yeah. We have them brainwash, but while using this app, if you actually turn off your internet or your Wi-Fi, I don't think if you would come across any apps, because that's most of the time that's what I do. If there's many apps in the many ads in the app that I'm using, most of the time I turn off my internet. So because like the way it happens is like if you have your internet, they're gonna keep coming. But after maybe you have realized that while you're in the app, so what you should be doing is this, to be honest. Like you did it right, you came in, there's a lot of ads, so you turn off, but you're still on the app. No, you have to close the app first and then it'll go away. So let's keep going. Brainwash, wow, I like a brainwash like that. Let's go. But this is too many apps. Okay, I'm gonna see that app, don't worry. What is this? Oh, I'm watching you. So before keep moving, okay, let's go for another one. I love you. Feed me, please. Oh, don't panic, it is organic. Okay. I'm not okay, you're dead. Okay, so I'd actually like to show you before another app comes on. We don't even see what is going on, you see? And how am I gonna turn these things off? Okay, so for example, right now we don't know who is the father, but I believe it's him. But let's go to the next one and say, oh, this is wrong. Correct? I don't know. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on this hint. So we're gonna watch a ad, and then it's going to help us. It's going to give us a tip.
Tatlı. İsmi ne?
İsmi Tüylü.
O zaman bu da benden tüylü. O zaman bu da benden tüylü.
So now it should do itself. It's showing us. Okay, this one is here. This one is here. This one is here. But who would do such things? I don't know. So I don't want to keep going. You got so because I'm showing you guys what to do in which level. Yeah, okay, maybe if you need help you can let me know in the comments so I can make another video for that, but for now I'm gonna see what is here. So let's go to our settings. The only settings we're gonna be doing is either it's going to be vibrating our phone or not, and it is up to us. So if let's see, what is this? It's not going. It's not going through. Maybe we watch too many ads and they be like, no, it's enough for them. So let's do another one. Oh. Okay. Solve the equation. Haha, pizza and Wi-Fi equals. I think it's like if you have food and if you have Netflix, it's going to turn out become a love. Maybe I don't know. That's kind of the thing that I got. So okay then, let me ask you one question so you guys can comment and answer me on the comments. So for you, is it like, we have solved some questions right here. They weren't very hard ones, but I'm pretty sure in the next levels we will face some real challenges. And I want to ask you if, like, you see, I said, like, it's pizza and if there's Netflix, so here we go, love. But love is there, love is in the air. Love becomes an air. So what are those two things if they come together, and it will be equal love? But no, pizza and Wi-Fi is not the answers for now. You have to give me your own answers. Let me know in the comments, please. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you like my content, which I'm pretty sure you do, go hit that subscribe button too. So see you guys in my next videos.